The 2009 Chevy Silverado. Everybody's having problems getting to the driver's side headlights to change the bulbs. All I did, take two flathead screwdrivers, and you're going to go ahead and pop out all these little clips there. There's 8 of them all through there. Once you get those out, then this cover just pops right off. Get that out of the way, and then it opens up into this little groove behind your headlight, and you can just get your arm all the way back in there. I've already loosened my headlight. You can access the top or the bottom, and then that wire will just slip right under here, and you can pull those 2 clips, one on each side. Headlight pops right out, and then you can get your arm in there easily. Get the camera in there to get your headlight back in and lock that into place. So that's how easy it is on the Chevys there.